What do Shakespeare, college, and children have in common? At first, they seem to have nothing linking them together, but they do. These are just some of the things that make a Colonial Heights resident who she is. She's had to face many different challenges than the average person, but keeps a positive outlook with just those three things. Meet Mandy Hyatt, a theater enthusiast with an independent personality. Hyatt has a disability called cerebral palsy, which she's had since birth. The disability affects fine motor skills, making it difficult to walk and write. Even though writing can be a daunting task, Hyatt says she can still do it.
I can write. It's just at a different speed than most people. Like, I am 33 years old and I can write at the speed of a second grader. So that's kind of frustrating, but it's kind of amazing that I can write. So it's a good thing, but it's still frustrating when you want to do certain things and you have to do it at a certain speed.
Although she has this disability, it hasn't stopped Hyatt from accomplishing something very important to her.
Getting a 4-year college degree when it wasn't so easy to do that because, excuse me, I had a really hard time with school, not academically, but physically. When I went away to school, it was really hard because I didn't have people that came in.
Hyatt has a bachelor in theater and a minor in education. Another challenge which she had to face while in college and still has to face today is the issue of getting around.
Basic mobility, I guess, is the biggest issue because it's very annoying because I'm a very independent person, like at heart, and and I can't be independent, and that's very frustrating to me.
Even with all her challenges, Hyatt keeps a positive mindset and says she feels she has an advantage over other individuals.
I see people probably a lot better than most people because I actually take time to look at them and figure out how they are. Being in a chair just kind of makes me do it more because some people just look at me and kind of automatically assume that I can do certain things or I can't do certain things. People just need to realize, just because I'm sitting down doesn't mean I'm not normal. I'm as normal as you can get, except for the fact that I'm sitting.
Hyatt's plans for the future are to become a drama teacher and to have children of her own. For WVCU News, I'm Melissa Smith.